And that is it, people. Look at that. Rasta Ramen. Fully active, my father. Cook and vibe. Fully active, my father. Hear that. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. If you ain't press the like button already, do it and get the video moving quickly. If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing. You know what I'm saying? Fully active, people. Today, we're doing another twist on some food. Yeah, not a normal ramen today. Today, we're cooking Rasta Ramen. Is it? You heard it right. Rasta Ramen today, people. You know what I'm saying? So, obviously, ramen, but with some Rasta ingredients. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go out on the road, get one little piece of yam and some okra and them thing there, and we'll zoom forward and see what I want. That is it, fully active Cook and Vibe. Yes, people, come to get some yam, some okra and everything there for the recipe today. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, good vibes. Need some cabbage as well right there. Yeah, man. Fully active. Some okra. Yeah. Cabbage there. Yam there. Let's cook and vibe. I've got my cabbage, I've got my yam, I've got my scallion, I've got my okra. I've got a little blood orange in there as well, you know what I mean? Oh, you're gonna need obviously some noodles. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm not sure if that says chicken or something like that, but I'm pretty sure they're just spicy noodles. The key is to not get any meat-free noodles, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I've messed up, but the key is to get meat-free noodles, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna need a piece of yam. I'm gonna show you what you need a piece of yam for. You're gonna need the cabbage, but you're gonna need a little extra thing for the cabbage, but I will show you wagwan when we do that. Yeah, you're gonna need some Scotch bonnet, you're gonna need some okra, you're gonna need some scallion, and a little bit of seasoning, and that is all you're gonna need for your Rasta Ramen, people. That is it, fully active, you know what I'm saying? First thing we're gonna do, people, is gonna make some Rasta Kimchi. You know what I'm saying? So basically, we're gonna chop up a piece of cabbage. Now what I've got here, this is escovitch vinegar. So the escovitch, which is made from Scotch bonnet, pimento seed, onion, some normal sweet peppers in there, and some carrot. So basically, this is still good, that this lasts for a while. I used the rest of the escovitch the other day, so what we've got is the vinegar left. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna soak the cabbage in this vinegar, the escovitch vinegar, to make it a yard style Rasta kimchi. You know what I'm saying? Fully active, that's the first step. Yeah, I've chopped up the cabbage, people, and I've put the escovitch vinegar in here. So I just want to like break up cabbage a little bit, and that is going to be our kimchi. Yeah, man, yard style kimchi. Yeah, man. You see a little piece of Scotch bonnet in there. Book. Sorry for my bad language. Yeah, all right then. Oh, good vibes. Now we can just leave that and let that rest. Next thing, people, we're gonna cut a piece of yam. All right, we're getting certain things because remember, say noodles not gonna take too long. So the yam, what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the egg. You know, you have a little egg in the ramen. All right, so we've got our Rasta kimchi already done, resting. But now we're gonna replace the egg with a piece of yam. You can cut it into an egg shape. That's what I'm gonna try and do anyway. And boil up your piece of yam first. You know what I'm saying? Because you're gonna need that first. But you can cut it into any shape you want. You don't have to be shaped like an egg, but I just thought it'd be try and be cool, but I'm gonna try, like I say. As you can see, people, I'm just cutting round. As you can see, to make it like I've tried to make an egg shape anyway. I've tried to make an egg shape. I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna make some little potato chips or something out of this, the rest of this yam here. I'm gonna waste nothing. But yeah, we got our little replaceable egg yam, you know what I'm saying? That is it. That is it, people. Obviously get the yam boiling, because the noodles ain't gonna take too long. So once that's done, we can just put that to the side and then cook the noodles, you know what I'm saying? Yes, people. So I just chopped up some scallion to go in. You know what I'm saying? We can now put that to the side. Our good vibes. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna plant this in the garden. Yeah, Kai. You never know. You never know. So we got our scallion. Next, okra. Just want to chop up the okra. Get rid of that part there. And then just chop up the okra nice and thin. And get that ready to go in the Rasta Ramen. I hope everybody's all right, man. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing. Get that video moving. I love you lot, man. The Rasta Ramen, we're fully active. Vegetables, ital is vital. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we got all our vegetables. And look, people, my bridging, George P, he just forward from Jamaica. And I told him, bring me some peppers. Yeah, some scotch, some hot pepper. Yo, so you done know, fresh from the yard. Put that there ready, give that a little wash. Okra's ready, scallion is ready, that is it. That is it, people. I got my noodles cooking. They're on. I ain't put no seasoning in yet. I've just put the okra in first. You know what I'm saying? So at the moment, it's just noodles and okra. Okra's in, now we're adding the scallion. You know what I'm saying? Fully active. We just dashed the Scotch bonnet in as well. Now these ain't gonna take long. Everything's in there. We're gonna give it a good little mix round. I've just added some of this seasoning, not a lot, just a little bit. And obviously the normal seasoning that come with the noodles anyway, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, people. Yeah, this is ready now. Seasoning's in, everything is ready. It's time to play it up and put the rest of the things then with it, you know what I'm saying? Fully active. Yeah, ready up. Now what we need to do is assemble, you know what I'm saying? And that is it, people. Look at that. Rasta Ramen. We've got our little yam as an egg. Our escovitch kimchi. You can see with the okra and the scallion there looking all nice and healthy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. A good vibes, people. Taste time. You know what I'm saying? That is it. That is it, people. Taste time. Noodles. Get a piece of okra. Let me try the escovitch kimchi. See what it's saying. That actually goes really well. Got the kick on it from the Scotch bonnet. Rasta Ramen. That is it, people. I'm gonna dig in, get into my yam, get into the rest of it. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Let's maybe go hot, that kimchi. That is it, people. Good vibes, man. Listen, I hope you enjoyed. If you ain't subscribed, please do the right thing. Love you lot. See you next time. Big up yourself.